Hi, Colin from Brivvy here. I'm going to walk you through how to connect your Brivvy workspace with Claude. This is going to consist of two parts. First is an admin. So if you're a Claude admin, this is what you go through. The second part is as just a member of Claude with access to Brivvy is what you'll go through to connect and set up Brivvy. So shouldn't take very much time at all. So first thing, as an admin, I'm going to come down. I'm going to go to organization settings. I'm going to come down to connectors. I'm going to say, okay, we need to add Brivvy here. We're going to go to custom. We're going to go to web. I'm going to say Brivvy. I'm going to pop in that URL and boom, it has now been enabled for everybody on my Claude organization. The second step is as a member. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to say Brivvy. You can see it's custom. It has not been added yet. I'm going to go ahead and now walk through the OAuth process. It's going to come right here. I'm going to say connect to Claude with Brivvy. I'm going to give it approval. Again, just a double check. You can always check and make sure that you have the correct email address being used here, and you're also connecting the correct workspace. Boom, I'm going to click approve. It's going to redirect me back here. You're going to see now with all the tool permissions. Again, you're always going to make sure that these are always allowed. And again, you can see the different tools that we have activated right now for Brivvy. That's it. Thank you for your time and have a wonderful day.